What's up, guys? Bruno Aponte here, back with another tutorial. Super excited to be here with you guys. This week we're going over last week's Instagram post. It was a girl going through a portal that I made. You guys really liked that. I got a lot of DMs and requests on making this breakdown. So here we are today, and let's get right into things. Alright guys, so that's it for this week's video. Drop a comment down below, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss next week's video. Let me know what you guys thought about this week's breakdown. And if you guys liked it, what you guys want to see for next week's video. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.